Hell
So
yeah.
do the day.
Mandy, market in, market out when you're catching a momentum trade
Yeah,
to the downside like that. Like that. Good
absolutely.
stuff.
Yep.
Good
I don't have time to set things up. I got to
Yep.
do it quickly and be in, be
Yeah.
out. By the time you
Look at what
try
happened.
to analyze or set things up, it's already gone,
Love it.
move's gone.
See and react. Back up to 25,600. About a 30-point pop right there in the NQ. It's exactly when Mandy markets in, markets out. What price did you get short from, real quick?
It was looking like 77s and we went down to 67. So,
Hold on.
well, I guess I didn't do the math. So it was probably like
Oh, good.
8 points,
I like it. ES with
which
about
is
a
great for
7-point
me.
pop. Yep. ES made lows
Yeah.
68.30, back up to 68.37, 50-50 on the tilt. What kind of numbers do we have? Besides the big one, in about 4.5 hours, we got the FOMC interest rate decision. We'll have the strategy
Hmm.
session about 10 minutes before. I hear Jack. Jack, what do you got?
We're looking like a 0.7% implied move in SPX, which is low to me. Now, last time I did put on a trade for it in that. We will see.
Yes,
We'll
we
see.
will. Look at that. About a 12-point pop turnaround in the ES as we trade 68.42. NQ looking about an 80-point turnaround. How about that?
Yeah, look at that
Way to get out,
bounce.
Mandy. Way
It's
to get out, Mandy.
straight out.
Uh-huh.
And I'm just really glad I don't hold it to that. I mean, if you're a scalper too, it might be a good idea to trail it just in case it doesn't go and hit your target. But I liked it. I knew it should push towards that, not all the way to it necessarily, and got in, got out. Now I'm really curious with that heavy bounce. Are we going to want to push back to these 700s?
700s, Mandy.
7.3 was a huge magnet yesterday
Oh,
afternoon. And we just kept bouncing around that for solid 45 minutes or so.
a whole hour, Mandy. That
Um,
felt like the whole hour yesterday. 25,000.
yeah, it was so
About
long.
70 points away to the upside here. Crude. Silver selling off. Silver again making all-time highs again, but now selling off. All-time highs overnight, $61. Ooh, $62.14. Currently trading $60.85. So selling off from those all-time highs.
So to give you
Also,
an
that
idea what I mean,
entry. Sorry, Jack. I was gonna say that all that entry was also at a 5 minute candle close. I wanted to see what was happening at the start at the 5 minute candle, and it just started to push, and so that's where I entered. We just had another one, so shorts actually could be another good snipe down. I just don't like the fact that we're at 600. I'm worried we're going to get a little bit more bouncing here, but the fact that we're just starting to rotate pretty quickly back down, we could try to retest 580 or below 600s, but for sure probably closer to 580s. I'm really curious to see what we do here.
All right. 580. Let's trade 25,620. Jack, you were saying
yield
Jack
still hanging out
Bond.
at 4.19. So like
It's right there,
here's
man.
the bet.
Right there.
Um, looking at the cost or to buy a straddle right now, and this is
What's
right
a
now. We're
straddle?
not even a straddle is if you're buying it, you're buying like the at the money price, the call and the put option. And
Yeah.
the 0 dates right now, um, any move greater than 0.65% from where we are right now would put you in profit on that. Any move less at the end of the day would put you would lose some amount of money. That feels cheap to me. So
I
as we
would
get closer
say
to one, if there's not a lot of movement, I am considering making a play there. As far as the futures go, yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty choppy until we get to Mr. Powell.
mhm.
Yep.
So straddle. Buying a straddle, you're expecting a little bit more volatility than what the implied would say.
Right, and if
This
you're
price.
selling it, you're saying there'll be less. I was talking the other day is, which I think goes the simplest things is like if you're buying an option, no matter what you think about where the price is going, you're buying volatility, and if you're selling an option, you are selling volatility in addition to the direction of wherever the underlying goes.
Good stuff, Jack. All right. We
Great.
got the upper left-hand corner. Hashtag fast markets. Yep. Hashtag power hour. It is back. Hit us up at Top Step TV on the X. Let's see some of those trader wins. Want to see some of those trader station setups. How many screens you working with? What's your lighting like? What's your desk situation like? Kind of chair you rocking? Maybe give us some clues, some tips. Hey, never consider that. Again, hashtag fast markets, hashtag power hour at Top Step TV on the X. But right now, a bit muted. Dow catching a bid, 47,625. Gold trading 42.26. Crude continuing to sell off here, right around the lows, trading $57.83. Right now, pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. All things considered. We do have that EIA crude inventory number in about 45 minutes. That's always a doozy. Besides that, it's pretty much all clear until 1 p.m. Central Time for the big announcement. Oh, also after the bell, we got Oracle earnings. Remember last quarter,
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Oracle earnings made the stock jump 40% in a day. That might be the greatest pop I've ever seen in a blue chip stock.
Wow.
Gave it all back,
It's a did.
and I'm the
Now they're trying to
proud
buy.
owner of a little bit of it now.
Now they're trying to buy Warner Brothers with that money.
That,
I wish my dad gave
that a
me
good
40
push
billion.
Yes, we are. The overnight VWAP in the Nasdaq right now 25,000. I call it 657. We go see those 700s that Manny was talking about. We saw a big magnet, 25,700 yesterday. I'll throw up most of the day. Yes, pushing higher
so
here.
I like my 3 minute. You guys know I like my 3 minute. We did just cross EMA moving average. So when EMA pops on top, that's my green. That's a signal for buy. When yellow pops on top, that would be an indication for sell.